me again. It's been a long time that I didn't do any try-on video and any unboxing video because I am so lazy. And today it's a Sunday. I woke up early but I stayed in bed the whole day. And right now I saw sunset. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the sunset. It's really beautiful, the view from my room. The light of the sun, the sun rays goes inside my window. So it's really nice. The whole day I was in bed and it's late to realize that I want to make this video, the try on and unboxing Parcel. So actually I already here off. I have 1, 2 and 3 parcels arrived. I'm gonna open it all right now. Not all. I will just open the first one, which is from the TikTok shop. I will open the first one from TikTok shop. Okay, let's start. So open it all. I opened it before, and let's really open. And let's open all. Okay. One. So it's 1, 2, and the 3 one is this. So I already uploaded a video about this on my shorts, and this is what it looks like. This is a skirt. Partner of that one is this one. I'm gonna fix it first, be right back. This is the top of that one, and this is the back view, the bottom. I think I'm gonna get a hanger so that you will see this all. So this one is the top, and this one is the bottom. By the way guys, these are all costumes, school uniform costumes. Yeah. I bought this because I like cute things, and it's my dream to go to Japan and wear Japanese uniform, but I think that I'm too old for that one. So yeah. One of my dream country is Japan because I want to go there and see the beautiful pink tree, the sakura tree. Very little dream. Just want to see the sakura tree. How I wish if this YouTube channel will really monetize soon and will get a lot of views, then why not? Who knows? I can go to Japan and wear school uniform. What the? Let's open the next one. Still from TikTok shop. Oh my god, sunset. This is sunset. Oh my god, look at this. It's so cute. The skirt has. Oh my god, it's panty. This one, the top. When I check the store on the TikTok shop, there's not a lot of sold items. They have only 15, 20, 10 sold items, and I was undecided to order there. But then, now when I arrive, really best quality. I can tell you that you will not regret you buy this. The top, and this is the bottom. Next, this is a pink one because I love pink. I like pink. It's nice if my hair is like this. I'm trying to make my hair longer as before, but then I added a hair extension. The hairdresser cut, like trim and become short again now. Oh my god, I need to grow again my hair because I like to have a long hair. I cut my hair because if it's too long, I get hair loss. First one, the really first one who cut my long hair, she cut it so very short. I got disappointed and regret why I cut my hair. I should tell her that until waistline only, because that time my hair was until below my bum. Oh my gosh, you can see in my shorts, I have shorts video, I have long hair. Let's proceed, let's not do too much talk. Okay, let's open. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's a, and this is the tag. What's this? Ayan, dito tayo at the back. So this is the tag. It's really nice. It's really quality uniform, because before I ordered a uniform in other online shop and it was not nice. Like, oh my god, I can say it break easily. This one is really quality with this, and it takes long to arrive because it's from China shop. From country China, really. So to those who are fan of cosplay or want to be cute, you can buy there and you can pick what costumes you like. They also have other costumes and other type of clothes, but I pick only the school uniform. This one is not school uniform, right? It looks like the design is what Japanese girls usually wear in Japan. Ahoy! Ahoy! Okay, let's go for the bottom. Ta-da! Look at that. It's really nice quality. I can say that this is a really nice quality, because if you buy to other shop, oh my god, they only have like one like this and nothing like this that will make the bottom, like a cocktail. This one is really double, and look at the zipper. It's really nice. Like, look at this cute thing there. You see? You must also order this one. And top. I will also unbox the footwear I will gonna use for those clothes. This is from Shein. I already opened it because when I like touched it, I was saying, oh my god, this is so small for me. I opened it and tried it, and it's fit to me. So this is my footwear if I'm gonna try those costumes. It's a boots. So why I choose these boots? Because it's adjustable. You can like lower it like this, and also if you like high boots like that, high coverage, it will just out. And because I 164 centimeter tall, or 5 feet and 6 inch tall, I didn't choose the boots where it has a long heels. Well, this is only maybe 3 inch. So I guess I will do the try on video. Let's try those clothes. oil. Now, let's wear the boots. This is the bottom. What I like out of those 3 costumes is this. It's really cute. But all of them are quality, and if you will buy, you will not regret it. See? That's all, everyone. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.